2014 Mercedes-Benz M-Class. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's designed to adapt to meet your daily demands with its side view mirrors with turn signals, multi-zone air conditioning, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, wood grain trim, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, rain sensing wipers, Bluetooth, power liftgate, brake assist, rear spoiler, auto climate control. Call us, we'll help you take home your favorite vehicle.